Welcome back to Limitless Technology, the channel where technology knows no boundaries. I'm Luke, and today we're shining a spotlight on some of the most promising tech startups of 2023. From artificial intelligence to green tech, these companies are pushing the envelope and shaping the future. First up, we have Neuralink AI, a company that's bringing artificial intelligence into the healthcare industry. Their AI platform can analyze medical images with stunning accuracy, helping doctors diagnose conditions more quickly and accurately. This could revolutionize diagnostics and patient care. Next is Green Charge, a startup focused on green tech and sustainable energy. They've developed a compact, home-based energy storage system that integrates seamlessly with solar panels. Their goal? To help households become energy self-sufficient and contribute to a greener future. Meet QuantumX, a startup that's making quantum computing more accessible. Their cloud-based quantum computing service lets researchers and businesses tap into the power of quantum algorithms, even without owning a quantum computer. It's a giant leap for high-speed computing. Fourth on our list is Bioprint. They're pioneering in the field of 3D bioprinting, creating custom tissue samples for medical testing. This technology could potentially lead to 3D printed organs for transplantation, making donor shortages a thing of the past. Last but not least is Immersify, a startup that's transforming the way we experience digital content. Their virtual reality platform offers immersive experiences for education, gaming, and even virtual tourism. The potential applications are truly limitless. These startups exemplify the power of innovation to tackle challenges and open up new possibilities. They remind us that when it comes to technology, the only limit is our imagination. Returning to Neuralink AI, this company's machine learning algorithms aren't just about quicker diagnoses. They're opening doors for predictive healthcare, identifying patterns and risks before they become critical. This could transform not just patient care, but our entire approach to health and wellness. Green Charge's home energy storage system isn't only an answer to the intermittent nature of solar power. It's a step towards a decentralized energy grid where households generate and store their own energy, reducing strain on our power infrastructure and creating a more resilient energy network. Each of these startups is doing more than creating a product. They're tackling fundamental challenges and pushing boundaries. They're envisioning a world where AI can predict our health needs, where our homes are self-sufficient in energy, where quantum computing is within everyone's reach, where organ shortages are no longer fatal, and where learning, gaming, and exploring the world can be more immersive than ever. This is why we at Limitless Technology are so passionate about the tech landscape. It's a realm where innovation, imagination, and impact collide. As we spotlight these startups, we're not just looking at what they offer now, we're looking at their potential, at how their technology could scale, evolve, and transform our lives in ways we'd yet to imagine. So, what's your take on these innovative startups? Which of them excites you the most? And what other groundbreaking startups should we feature next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Limitless Technology to stay on the pulse of the tech universe. I'm Luke, signing off until our next exploration. Stay curious and keep challenging the limits.